Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel Yo Zone. Hope everyone is doing fine. Today we're gonna talk about this good looking mic. Comes from JBL. The model number is CSLM20B. Okay, so what I'll cover in this video is I'm gonna show you all the accessories that you're gonna get with this box. Also we're gonna talk about the advantages and the usage of this product. Okay, so let's get into the video. I have already opened this box, so what I'll do is I'll quickly show you the accessories that you are getting with this box. Okay, so the first thing is this pouch with the logo. Okay, black colored pouch through which you can carry your mic. Okay, it has got this sealing option, this good looking pouch. Now the second thing is this big pin through which you can connect to amplifiers or big audio devices. Okay, the third thing is one extra collar clip. Okay, so you already have one here with the mic. This is the extra that you're gonna get. Okay, the third thing is one little windshield. One you already have on the mic, so this is the second one, so you're gonna get two. Okay, the next thing is this small little battery, LR battery, you're gonna get in the box. This battery you need to install in the mic before using it. Okay, now the final thing, not the final thing, the next thing is this user manual, which has got all the, let me show you like this, which has got all the details of this mic. All right, now coming to the mic. So here is our mic, JBL mic, JBL CSLM20B. Okay, this is how it looks, and we have the windshield over here which you can remove, and this is how it looks. Okay, let me put it back. All right, so you just need to hook it to your collar. So let me show you how you can hook it like this, and then it gonna catch the audio. This is the body of the mic. Okay, this is where you need to install the battery. Okay, now it has got two options. It has got the option one says camera, the second one says smartphone. Okay, so when you're using this product with camera or computer, you're gonna switch it to the camera mode. All right, by the way, this product works with computer also, and when you're using this with smartphone, you're gonna switch it down to smartphone. That's all. No much tech about it. Now I'll show you how to install the battery in this product. You need to just open this upper part like this, and then you have the slot to install the battery. All you need to do is take this new LR battery. Okay, hold on. Take this new LR battery and install it inside. Make sure that the flatter surface of the battery is towards upwards. Okay, so you put it like this, and it's gone. It's gone, and then you close it. You close it. It has got this clip with which you can hook it to your clothes, and then the pin is 3.5 mm jack for this mic, with which you can connect to your smartphone and the computer. So those are all details of this JBL mic. This is good for the people who gonna vlog, because this works with the DSLR cameras and smartphones, also laptops and computers. So that is the biggest advantage of this this mic. And one big advantage that I want to talk is this big wire. You know? It has got pretty good wire. The details has the length of it's a 6 meter long wire. Okay, now the advantage of this is, see, when you're using any mic that is mounted on a tripod or mounted near your camera, obviously there is little distance between you and the mic. So if according to the video, if necessarily you are moving here and there might be little disturbance, or mic might not catch the volume. But with this, it's not gonna happen, because this will be always hooked to your collar, and it has got this big wire, so freely, hands free, you can move here and there and talk about your content. That is the biggest advantage of this JBL mic. So right now I'm not testing it. I'm testing this video is going on another mic, that is Boya mic. The link of this both the mics I'm gonna give in this video. You can go check it out. So in the next clip we're gonna check this JBL mic. All right, so let's jump to the next clip. Yo buddies, so I have connected this JBL mic to my device right now. So whatever you're listening right now is coming from this JBL mic. Okay, so yeah, that's the review of this product. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give the links of both the products in the description. Go check them out, and please subscribe to this channel to show some support. That's it from my side, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye, see you.